they're long enough now they may enjoy some of the stuff around here.
Laura in the Natural Bridge Caverns. We've never been to SeaWorld. That would be a cool place. They both like it.
I am reviewing it.